How to block someone on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to block number on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on the profile that you want to block. After you click on their profile, scroll down. You can see multiple options over here. Click on the option block this contact and again tap on block. As soon as you click on block, your contact will be blocked from Zangi app. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna block someone on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one.